You know what's happening right now? Some of the world's biggest companies are packing their bags and leaving Pakistan. Procter Gamble, the same company behind Vicks, Head & Shoulders, Gillette, and Ariel, just announced in October 2025 that they are shutting down commercial operations there. Earlier this year, Microsoft also quit Pakistan. On September 9, 2025, Yamaha, the motorcycle giant, declared they are shutting down bike manufacturing in Pakistan. Uber, the ride-hailing giant, already left. And even Big Pharma, that major vaccine company, sold off its Karachi manufacturing facility. The reason is out-of-control inflation, skyrocketing prices, and messed-up government policies that make it impossible for companies to see any real profit. Now, if you look at Pakistan's stock market, on paper, it looks like investors are getting insane returns, almost like jackpot-level gains. But once you factor in inflation, all those gains disappear in real terms. It is a bubble that does not actually benefit anyone.